Welcome to Road Misfit 187. Make sure to check out the links below and subscribe. Hello everyone, this is Kyle here from Road Misfit 187. Today I'm super excited about this new dash cam I just got. I want to say thank you to the company 70mai. They sent me their most recent 4K dash cam. It comes with the front and rear cameras. And if you know anything about me, I love trying out dash cameras in my vehicles, and it's something that everyone should have, you know, in case of the worst case scenario of having an emergency or something like an accident. But anyways, I'm going to talk you through this as I do the unboxing here. Here's the actual package itself, the camera, everything's inside here. The little smaller box in the background there is actually a hardwire kit that I opted for. I like to be able to not just use like a cigarette lighter to plug it in, but run the wire up and around. Here's what's included in it. That booklet there's like little instruction manuals, a bunch of wires here coming out, like a little pry tool, some extra stickers. That's the rear camera. Here is the main unit with the 3-inch display, the in-camera there. It's easily adjustable. I believe that's the mic probably on the side for audio recording. Over here is where you put your power cable, your SD card, micro SD card. But anyways, quickly just talk you through this stuff. This kit comes with everything that you need. From installation. Here's the hardwire kit I was talking about. And it's real easy. You can just tap that into your fuse box if you opt for that option as well. Amazon sells like little T-taps to wire that up. Takes about, I don't know, an additional 10 to 15 minutes just to wire up that hard wire cable. And that's just the regular charger if you just want to plug it in like your cigarette lighter. That's the mount. Obviously you stick the mount to your windshield, very simple. The unit slides right in. There's the rear camera. There's the wiring harness. Go from the rear camera up to the front camera. I did not install the rear camera just yet. I wanted to try the front unit first, but I'll be doing a follow-up video of the rear camera. And there's an example of the power cable plugged into it. This is actually a lens that goes on the front. I believe it just helps with glare and the sunlight. I'll be putting that lens on there as well. Alright, now we're in the car. I decided to mount the display to the right of my rear view mirror. I then ran the hardwire kit, hit it behind here, down the panel, under the dash, behind the radio, to the fuse box. I will recommend, Amazon sells these like little fuse taps. I'll throw up a link below. Makes it real easy. You just pull a fuse out, push this little fuse tap in, put the fuse in the actual tap itself, and it gives you a wire off of it. You want to wire one of them to a constant power, one of them that switches off and on when the car starts. Let's see here. Finally figured it out. Go ahead and hit the power. Hopefully it powers on. Here we go. Looks like a little setup menu. Alright, we got through the setup process. Went through all the settings here. Real nice. These buttons here. Show you real quick. If you want to record audio, press that button. Turn the audio off. This one goes in, you hit this button, it does the emergency recording. So if you saw an event, maybe it wasn't actually your vehicle that got maybe hit or an accident or anything like that, but say you see an accident occur ahead of you, you hit this button to record that. This one here goes through your gallery of your videos of previous. This obviously is your settings button here. Very simple. You just use the arrows left and right to navigate back and forth. Goes down, factory reset. It's pretty self-explanatory. Very simple. Another nice thing is you can download the app. You can look at the videos on the app that comes with this, which is another really nice thing. Not all of the dash cams have that feature. Let's go back here. So it's that simple. It automatically starts recording when the vehicle starts. You can see there. Like I said, you see an emergency event, you tap that button there. That way, you know, say, like I said, you saw an accident, you can come back later in the day and actually see the pinpoint. It'll flag which, you know, this emergency event you saw. So very nice to have, people. You never know when you're going to come across, you know, accidents happen. So you just want to have an extra piece of like video for insurance purposes. I just can't explain it. It's better to have this before the accident than the person that's like, oh man, I got into an accident, wish I had a dash cam. Then they go out and buy one after the event. So very simple. It's $99 on Amazon. I think it's going to be on sale here this next week, so make sure to check out the link below. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I appreciate it. Thanks to the company 70mai